Welcome to my iPhone 12 unboxing video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Also hit that bell button. So here we have the front of the iPhone 12 box. We have the side right there. You can see an Apple logo right here, designed by Apple in California. This model here is the iPhone 12 Green 256GB model. And that's it for the plastic. Very simple packaging. It's one-piece plastic. The box is very thin. With this model, no more Apple EarPods, no more charging cube. So we have a USB-C to Lightning cable only in here, just right there. It's not a braided cable, it's just a regular Apple cable. And then in here, we just have a couple manuals in there. And now here we have the phone.